I'm executing the program. Last night, Ram lived in England and went to the cinema and wrote a book. Again, I am executing random selected singles. A long time ago, Ram lived in US and went to university and wrote a book. Again, I am comparing it. Select randomly pick the words. And placing full stop at the end of the sentence. Again, I am comparing. Yesterday, Naresh lived in India, went to university and solved a mystery. Again, I am comparing. Last night, Ram lived in Germany and went to the laundry and wrote a book. Oh, I am changing name the animal names that I quoted as who. Now again I am comparing. On 20th August, a rabbit lived in Canada, went to the seminar and found a secret key. Again I am comparing. Last time ago, a turtle lived in England and went to the seminar. Again I am comparing.